at room 321 dito sa Manila Lotus Hotel. So, kauwi ko lang ngayon. So, wait. Okay, so uuwi ko lang kasi galing ako sa labas. So, pagdating ko dito, sinamantala ko habang maliwanag pa. Pinuntahan ko na kung saan yung St. Luke's from here. Para tomorrow, alam ko na kung saan ako pupunta. Papunta ang St. Luke's. So, dire-diretso na. So, bumili ako ng chowking for my food tonight. And right now, so medyo nagugutom ako ngayon kasi I have my period today. So, yun pala. Okay lang na meron kayong period. Nandun naman yun sa FAQ ng St. Luke's. So, yun. Kahit na may period kayo, you can still proceed with your medical for your K1 visa. So, pag ako kumain, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng tour ng room para may idea kayo if this would be the room that you wanna book for your St. Luke's medical appointment. So, let's go! Okay, so meron tayong, of course, key card, just like every other hotel. So, as you can see, ayan, simple lang yung ating room. Ayan. And then, pagpasok mo, ganito yung itsura niya. So, right beside the door, makikita mo meron ng lagayan ng gamit. You put your bags there, yung plastic bag. And then, on this side, merong fridge. Yan, may fridge. So, nagdala ko ng Pocari Sweat. And C2, that's mine. But, may complimentary water. May coffee here. And then, merong electric heater. And then, eto, sa akin to, nagdala ko mango bread kasi favorite ko yan. And then, on this side, ito yung vanity mirror. So, ito yung gamit ko. So, ganito lang ka-onti yung, ito lang yung dala kong gamit for my appointment. So, yan, ito lang tatlong bag na biniliit. And then, later, I'll let you know kung ano-ano yung mga dinala ko on the way here. And then, yeah. So, meron silang, what's this? Oh, yeah, just about the hotel. And then, meron silang menu here if you want food. Ayan, if you want food, pwede ka order and I think they will deliver it in your room. And then, bedside table. Ito yung itsura ng bed niya. Yan. Very, very simple but decent naman. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung full room. It's simple lang siya, guys. It's not fancy but I feel like it's good naman for its price. And then, ito yung AC niya. Ayan, ganun siya. And then, there's a television here. Hindi ko alam kung may Netflix. Tingnan natin kung may Netflix. Sky cable. So, let's turn it on. How do you turn on the TV? TV. Ayan. So, wala siyang hindi siya nalilipat, guys. Hindi nalilipat yung TV, I guess. Walang internet. I mean, walang cable. Ayan. Simple siya na lang siya. So, you can bring your laptops. Meron naman silang wifi dito. So, ganda lang yung gawin nyo. And then, ito yung toilet. So, malinis naman siya, guys. Yan. Meron towels. So, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala. And then, merong blower. Hindi nyo na kailangan magdala. And, walang toothbrush. Walang toothbrush, guys. I wish I checked first before ako lumabas. So, I might have to go outside again to go to 7-Eleven or somewhere. Because I need to buy toothbrush. So, nyo kalimutan, toothbrush, guys. And then, ayan, shampoo, shower gel. So, yan. That's it. And, ito naman yung view niya from outside. So, from here, guys, dito yung papunta ng St. Luke's. Super lapit lang niya. And then, on this side, dito yung mga kainan. So, I saw McDonald's, Chowking, yung binila ko kanina. And there's 7-Eleven here. Dito sa malapit. And yung City State Tower Hotel na pinag-i-stayan ng aunt ko, nandito siya. Dito siya sa side na to. Then, so guys, medyo nagugutom ako. Kakain muna ako. Kakain lang ako, guys. And then, I'm gonna show you in a bit yung mga gamit na dinala ko here. So, whenever I'm having my period, sobrang takaw ko, guys. So, umorder ako ng sweet and sour pork with rice. And favorite ko to sa Chowking. This one. Yum, yum, yum. And order din ako na oh my god, they didn't give me my siopaw. Seriously. Iniwan ko yung receipt. Alam ko meron akong siopaw. I want siopaw and cravings, I guess. Kala. Kain muna tayo, guys. Tomorrow, guys, I want to, but I feel like I'm not allowed na mag-take ng video inside teka, hugas lang ka ng kamay. By the way, guys, may hot shower din yata sila dito. So, ayan, pwede tayo mag-hot shower later. And I was gonna say something. Kanina pala, gusto kong gamitin yung yung camera ko on the way dun sa St. Luke's. Because I really want to show you guys how it looks like before I came here. Nag-wonder ako, how does it look like here? Sobrang wala akong idea. I was kind of scared kasi nga Manila to and I'm from Cavite. And I'm not used to the city. Ayun. So, yeah, medyo anxious ako on the way here. So, yeah, I don't want any other girls to feel the same. So, yeah, I want to show you guys how it looks like. Kaya lang, I'm really scared to bring out my camera. Kaya yung phone ko na lang yung ginamit ko. I recorded a few clips for you guys. And yeah, I'll make sure that you guys will see para alam niyo yung i-expect outside. Ito guys yung daanan. So yun na guys yung Manila Lotus Hotel. Kain! Now, I showed you the room and I showed you a little about how it looks like outside. So, in my next video, I guess, sa next video ko na lang siya papakita. In the next video, I'm gonna show you guys the thing that I brought here as I stay for my St. Luke's medical, and maybe another video for the documents I brought. So, yeah. See you guys in my next video.